Hip hip hooray! Every day is a celebration. Let's prepare some jollof rice by using jollof spice mix from Sista Sista United Foods. Are you ready? Jollof mix, an authentic African spice mix from Sista Sista United Foods, is finally here. Are you ready to up your jollof making game with our all amazing 100% spice mix? This product contains no MSG, no preservatives, no artificial coloring, no artificial flavoring. It is a combination of 100% natural herbs and spices to produce the very best spice mix, readily available to ideally help you prepare the top-notch delicious rice of your choice. Wait a minute. Which jollof rice are you a fan of? The Cameroonian Jollof, the Nigerian Jollof, or the all-famous Ghanaian Jollof, or say Ghana? Let's go ahead and prepare our own jollof. We need jollof mix, which is the authentic African spice mix from Sista Sista United Foods. Then we will need oil, salt, tomato blend, spring onions, which is optional. We also need a protein of your choice, then white onion, some peppers or more vegetables, tomato puree, and some rice, which you do not see in this video right now. We are going to start off by adding oil to our cooking pan, and I am so excited about this. So we're going to add in there the onions, and we are going to allow this to soften up just a little bit. I am getting excited. So I'm just adding in there my tomato puree. And next, I am going to blend my tomato and onion together. You notice I'm not adding any chilies in here. This is because the jollof spice mix from Sista Sista United Foods already contains some sweet paprika, some smoked paprika, and some chili in there. I am excited, honestly. So I've just added in there my tomato and onion mix, and it's looking delicious already. But then the jollof mix is going to make it the best. So because I wanted very hot and very spicy, I decided to add in there 1.5 tablespoons. Just to let you know, you need to start off with just 1/4 tablespoon. And if you need more, you can add it after you have tasted it. I am adding my protein of my choice in there, and the aroma. I hope my neighbor doesn't come knocking on the door to want to have dinner, or probably think we're having a party and we didn't invite them. Oh my goodness, the aroma is simply irresistible. So I'm just adding in there the stock from the meat I cooked earlier. You definitely need to go and get your jollof mix from Sista Sista United Foods. So I have just added my jasmine rice, which is my preferred rice for my jollof rice. It's up to you, whichever choice of rice you want to use for your jollof rice. So I am going to make sure not to stir it too many times, as I don't want to break the rice into tiny pieces. The aroma and the busting of flavors in this kitchen is simply irresistible. I decided to add just a little bit more salt to my jollof. The jollof mix from Sista Sista United Foods already contains some salt, so I suggest when you add to your meal, you test it first, then you can decide if you need a bit more salt. I then decided to cover it with foil and then poked a little bit of holes on the top. This is to allow some steam out. I can't wait. Look at that. That looks delicious, isn't it? My jollof rice from Sista Sista looks good. My jollof rice is gonna taste good. So I decided to sprinkle it with a little bit of warm water. This is because I want the steam to just do the cooking. And I decided to cover the top with my vegetable selections. And I am going to cover it again with the foil and allow the rice to steam off and soften up just the way I wanted. The aroma It's just busting, and this kitchen is just full of flavors. Look at that jollof. That looks delicious, isn't it? Hey, what are you waiting for? Go and get yourself your own natural jollof mix from Sista Sista United Foods. It is the very best, the very authentic one you can find in the market. It is very healthy, very nutritious, and you are just going to love the aroma and the best of flavors. Buy it as gifts, buy it as presents for people on their birthdays, for Christmas, for Easter, for every occasion. Dinner's ready. Come and get yours. Nope, I'm not sharing. Go get your jollof spice mix from Sista Sista United Foods. Thank you. Here are a range of spices we've got available. Why don't you go trying them out as well? You will definitely love them. We've got available 10 spice mix, aromatic chicken blend, and so many other spices. You will definitely enjoy using them. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to get them too.